How to put pictures on TikTok comments. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Select the video you want to comment to. Click on comment option. And at the bottom, below add comment, you will find a square shape option with photos option. Click on it and you will be able to click any picture you want. You can also message, which is type comment, and then press on arrow, which is facing upwards, which will send the comment. As you can see, it has been sent with a picture and a comment. This is how to put pictures on TikTok comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.